Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets, and if you ever wonder which Bluetooth headphone has the longest battery life, then you probably shouldn't look any further because this is it right here. With almost 1 month of music playback time. Well wait, let me explain. So, I've been using these headphones for almost a year now, and while I was using it, I was thinking to myself, if this thing sounds this good, and the battery life is this great, and I love it this much, then there has to be somebody out there just like me who's searching for a pair of headphones just like this one. So if you're that one person that's searching for a badass pair of headphones just like this Edifier, then stick around because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know before you buy it. So let's start off with the build quality and design. From what I can tell, this headphone has been made from some real high quality plastics, and there are little to no metal visible on it, but it got some metal inside. But so far, the materials they use give this headphone a really nice texture and feel. I really love the design. The headphones look simple but modern and somewhat sophisticated, with a sleek angular design that makes it have the right balance and fit whenever you put it over your head. And all of this together with the gray and black colorway makes it really easy for you to blend it with almost any outfit you're wearing. The ear cups are super plush and really deep and provide a lot of isolation whenever you put it over your ears. Now, as far as portability goes, this headphone is super lightweight and really portable. You can fold it all the way up and slide it in the side of your bag, or you could just swivel it and put it in the carrying pouch that Edifier provided inside the box. As far as sound quality goes, this thing sounds really good. I mean, it's been my daily driver for almost a year, so yeah, I really like them. I did discover though that it has a slight V shape in its sound signature, which means that if you listen to a lot of hip-hop, pop, modern rock, EDM, or house music, this is the perfect pair of headphones for you. It can get really loud, the bass is nice and punchy and rich, and like I said, the ear cups provide a lot of comfort and a lot of isolation while you're listening to your music. So let's talk about the battery life, because one of the reasons why I wanted to do this review is because the battery life on this headphone right now is the best you can find in any headphone. Alright, so in my test, I ran these for 4.5 days non-stop, playing at about 65 to 70% volume before the battery showed any signs of exhaustion. That is impressive for a pair of headphones that is this small and this lightweight and this cheap. I was doing some research and I came across where it says the average person listens to about 4 hours of music from their headphones every day. Now, if you fit in that average person, this means that you could listen to these headphones for 3.5 weeks before you would ever need to charge them back up. That's almost a month. What? This is mind-blowing, since most other headphones that cost 4 times more than this one can only do about 20 to 30 hours of music playback time max. And this costs 4 times less, and you can play music at a solid 95 hours. I got way more than 95 out of it non-stop before it ever need to be charged again. The sound quality is awesome. Plus, it costs about $68 on Amazon the last time I checked. So there you go. Now you know why the Edifier W830BT has been my daily driver for almost a year now. Look, the thing sounds amazing, and it has an incredible battery life. I don't know if any other headphone can beat it. I really honestly believe that a lot of people is sleeping on this, and I'm not sure why, but if you're ever thinking about it, and if you've never heard about it before, get this. But I'm curious, do you know any other headphone that can match this type of performance? Let me know in the comment section right below the like button, and if you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But if you didn't like it and you think it sucks, then you could also give it a thumbs down. That's okay too. I appreciate your honesty. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Peace.